Welcome all. In this video, we are going to cover practical number 6 of GIS. Now the question which is asked in practical 6 is working with projection and WMS data. Now WMS is what here? Web Map Service. So what exactly this practical requires? This practical actually teaching us why maps layers, so multiple layers are there in map that we had seen, do not align correctly unless the same CRS, that is the coordinate reference system, is being utilized for them, and how the projection is fixing this particular problem. So let's understand the core problem. Now in this example, we will be taking the country shapefile, and as well as we are going to take the image of a Great Britain. So when we are adding a vector layer which consists of countries shapefile and a raster layer which consists of a map image of a Great Britain, they do not map or overlap each other correctly on the map. So map के ऊपर उनका overlapping बराबर होता नहीं. Now this is because they are created using the different CRS, that is the coordinating system, or also called as the projection. So this practical shows us what goes wrong and how to fix it by assigning the correct projection. So without wasting time, let us complete this practical. This is one of the very small practical. So first thing, we will be starting the QGIS. So I had started my QGIS. Here we are starting the new empty project. As I told you, we require to go for adding the world map image. So I go to layers. Here I am selecting the option as add layer, and in that we are selecting add vector layer. Now, as you know that I had created one folder, and you are able to get access of the folder in a description link, and you can download these required folders, but please take the entire folder because some required supporting files are also present in that folder. So under the practical 6, you will find this shapefile, zip file, and when I'm trying to add it, it looks like this. This is the world map, right? Now, this world map is basically using some coordination system. So I would like to now save it as per the North America coordination system. Now this can be done very easily by going to layers, selecting the option as save as. Under the save as, you can decide the file name. Maybe I had given the file name as world map. And here there are various CRS are available. Now, you can see over here the CRS is available called as 102008. That is North America Equal Area Conic. If suppose you are not getting this thing, don't worry about it. You are able to find it over here. तो यहाँ पे जाना और यहाँ पे सिर्फ सर्च करना as 102008. Right? So you will get this particular option. Then you give a click on OK. Further, again give a click on OK, and this is what an older GIS version will not be showing any issue. But the GIS version might show the issue if the recent GIS version is there. QGIS version, not GIS. So QGIS का recent होगा तो आपको शायद error दिखाई देगा. Don't worry, it is just a warning that कहाँ पे जगह पे हम लोगों का coordination system map नहीं हो रहा है. So which option I should be using for calculation? So the first option you select, that's more than sufficient. Give a click on OK. So you will find these two layers got created. One is world map, and second is the older layer which is added by us. Here it shows that some of the options errors are there. Now just go for closing it. There is no need of looking at these issues. Now this shapefile is created. The earlier layer I am just trying to hide it. Visibility uska मैं क्या करता हूँ off कर देता हूँ. Now what I am interested, I would like to add the Great Britain map image over here as a layer, raster layer. So what I do, I go to layers, select the option called as add layers. Under the add layers, I will be selecting add raster layer, and you will find one TIFF image of the Great Britain. So select it and give a click on open, then you give a click on add. So once you add it, now you can see there are two layers which are there. World map एक है और यहाँ पे Great Britain का कुछ तो अपना image रहेगा. but they are not properly overlapping. Great Britain का जो map है वो Great Britain के ऊपर ही आना चाहिए. Now how we can solve it? Great Britain का CRS system अलग है, coordinate reference system अलग है. So what you do, you go to the project. Here you select the project properties, and under the project properties you will find the CRS of British National Grid, that is 27700. If you're not getting it, you know that I had told you already, you can just search it out, 27700. So you'll get British National Grid. Select it and give a click on OK. Now can you see very well, again the same issues. Okay, fine, I give a click on OK. And you will find the image get mapped properly on this world map. You may wonder, sir, कहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा है? Don't worry, आप थोड़ा सा zoom करो. आपको मालूम है ग्रेट ब्रिटेन कहाँ पे वर्ल्ड मैप? आप थोड़ा जूम करोगे तो आपका जो टिप इमेज था, दैट इज बीन एडेड ऑन अ ग्रेट ब्रिटेन इटसेल्फ, राइट? तो ग्रेट ब्रिटेन के ऊपर ही आ गया. दैट मीन्स प्रोजेक्शन इज बीन डन प्रॉपरली, लेयर्स आर बीन ओवरलैप प्रॉपरली. बट से आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी द प्रॉपर बॉर्डर्स एक्सेट्रा. तो सॉलिड कलर है, उसको बॉर्डर में कन्वर्ट कर लो. वर्ल्ड मैप था, उसके प्रॉपर्टीज में चले जाओ और यहाँ पे सिंबोलॉजी है. सिंबोलॉजी में जाके आप चाहिए तो डॉटेड ग्रीन. So let us try to find, okay, this is pattern dot green. Give a click on apply and you can get it over here. Right. So this is one of the very, very simple practical as such. Now further you can just save it and you can close it. So this is one of the very simple and a short practical. Thanks for watching this video. Please connect with us on our social media channels also, as well as subscribe to our channel. Click what we can say on a bell icon. So whatever the videos which we are uploading, you can get a notifications for the same. And if any career guidance requirements are there, please feel free to get connect with us. So all the best, and remember always what I say. Whenever you are doing the practical, please understand and then do the practical. That is more beneficial for you. Thanks a lot, students.